basi wanaoshindana ama wanaoshiriki inabidi watumie nguvu waweze kupata nafasi nzuri, muda mzuri katika shindano hili la 3000 meters steeplechase.
Na mimi ndio bingwa wa majeshi za Olimpiki. Anakwenda mzuri kabisa kukamilisha hapa, upinzani mkali kabisa hapa. Haya, 320 hapo.
Promise Kenya gold because last time I really preferred, but there was some turbulence happened there before I traveled to Tokyo because there was a slight misunderstanding in our stadium training camp because I was not even expecting to go and run in Tokyo Olympics because I was sent out of the stadium camp until the last minute on 20th, whereby I was called back to the camp. So, but to me, I thank because of I managed to get a bronze medal together. In terms of this championship and other events, you know, it doesn't have pacemakers. So, like Diamond League, we usually have pacemakers, and this one for the African World Championship and other, we don't have pacemakers. So it determines whether we run at the faster time or a slower time. It depends. So long as our main objective is only to win a medal, not a matter of time.